Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the third lecture of our SST class 4th. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about Great Indian Desert, its location, formation, sand dunes, oasis, and the climate of Great Indian Desert. Today, we have to discuss about the life in Great Indian Desert, its agriculture, and its importance. So, let's start with the agriculture. As you know, due to soil erosion, the large area of the Great Indian Desert is dry and barren. Because of scanty rainfall, it does not have much vegetation. Plant life exists only in the form of thorny shrubs, herbs, cacti, date palms, kikar, and babool. These plants do not need much water. Crops such as bajra, jowar, maize, sesame, and groundnuts are grown in summer, while wheat, mustard, and cumin seeds are grown in winters, and these crops are grown in the oasis region of the desert. Because of the Indira Gandhi Canal or the Rajasthan Canal, more and more land is now being brought under cultivation. Indira Gandhi Canal, which gets its water from river Satluj, also supplies drinking water to thousands of people living in this area. And people of this region are now growing different crops because of this canal, Indira Gandhi Canal, which provides water to this part of the country. When we talk about the people living in this area, they have to face difficult conditions, especially with regard to climate, food, and water. People living in deserts have to face difficult conditions, especially with regard to the climate, food, and water. So, most people in deserts do not live in fixed settlements, but keep moving from place to place in search of food and water for themselves and for their animals. These people are called nomads. Because of the difficult conditions जो इस ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट में है, तो जो वहाँ के लोग हैं वो एक ही जगह पे नहीं रह सकते मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल। तो वो क्या करते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल करते हैं, उनको हम नोमैड्स कहते हैं। उन ही लोगों को हम नोमैड्स कहते हैं जो एक सेटलमेंट पे नहीं रहेंगे बहुत टाइम के लिए। And a group of people traveling together on camels form a caravan. As we know, because of the sand, the transport system is very low. So the camel is the major mode of transport in desert because it has the unique ability to go for days without food or water. क्योंकि सैंड स्टॉर्म्स आते रहते, जो वहाँ पे रोड्स वगैरह बनाए हुए हैं वो फिर रहते नहीं हैं वैसे, इस वजह से जो केमल है वो ही बेस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है राजस्थान में, हम कह सकते हैं, या डेजर्ट में। इट्स ऑल्सो नोन एज द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट। केमल इज ऑल्सो known as the ship of desert. Because of its padded feet and strong legs, which helps it to move across the desert. Padded feet and strong legs helps it to move in the sand. Camels are also used for carrying heavy loads across long distances. In deserts, camels are also used for carrying heavy loads across long distances. Now, we'll look towards some important cities of desert. Some big towns like Bikaner, Ganganagar, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, etc. They have beautiful palaces and forts. Jaipur, which is also known as Pink City, is the capital of Rajasthan and is famous for Amar Fort and Hawa Mahal. These are the two famous places in the city of Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as Pink City. This is also the capital of Rajasthan. Ajmer is another city in Rajasthan which is famous for the Ajmer Sharif Dargah. It's the Dargah of Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. and it is in Ajmer. And there is also a mandir, Jatpita Brahma Mandir. It's also in Ajmer. Another important city is Jodhpur, which is famous for its numerous havelis. Despite of these hard conditions, this region attracts thousands of tourists from India and foreign countries, as this region has many forts and palaces. This great Indian desert also have many wildlife sanctuaries like Ranthambore National Park, Bharatpur National Park, and Sariska. These are the wildlife sanctuaries situated at the Great Indian Desert. So, this was all about the Great Indian Desert. Now go through your books and see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care and be safe.